Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Investments Limited, and as I speak to all of you all this Monday morning at around about 10 o'clock, market's holding out pretty smartly. Currently, Sensex and Nifty are at the highest point as I speak to all of you all. Broad range for the market remains positive this week. Expectation of a crossover of 25,000 on Nifty spot would lead to a little bit more upside, and in that case, we could possibly be at 25,100 to 25,250. A lower end zone is a little bit deeper, 24,600 to 24,700. So that's going to be the broad range on the lower side and the higher side, with a likely possibility of a positive move on the higher side, given the events which are lined up. India VIX is up about 2.50%, 10.44 is the level on India VIX. And of course, on the INR and dollar, 0.022 paise strength on the Indian rupee against the dollar, 88.75 is the level on INR dollar. Brent and NYMEX marginally up, but very comfortably on the lower side. Brent is at about $65.52 to a barrel, and NYMEX is trading at about $61.85 to a barrel. Curtains raiser, friends. This week from 9th onwards, we will have the rollout of Q2 earnings, starting with, of course, market IT big name as always, TCS, and you will have possibly Tata LXI on 9th itself. Avenue Supermart will announce its numbers on 11th of October, which is a Saturday. So our understanding is that earnings season is likely to guide the direction of the market, and that direction is likely to be on the positive side. There is no need to have an extraordinary expectation in terms of earnings, but a slight better or an improved color or shade on the earnings front could give a major flip to the indices, both Sensex and Nifty. There are a lot of IPOs which are going to open up starting today. Tata Capital and LG IPO. There is concern on the street that these two big IPOs would suck out liquidities from the secondary market and pump it into primary market. Absolutely nothing to worry over there. There is enough liquidity in the market for both secondary as well as primary. And more than these two IPOs, in the past history, we have seen many IPOs hitting the street on a single day and a single week, and all of them getting a thumbs up from the subscribers' point of view, and the secondary market being as intact and positive as it is. So no need to worry about this, so-called concern on the street about secondary market versus primary market. In terms of policy decisions, well, I think anything positive coming out from the government's cabinet ministers in terms of the FTAs and where the situation is, especially what's happening with US, should add as a positive. But I think the trade tantrums from President Trump is something that we need to put it in the rear view mirror. There will be certain announcements which may have a knee-jerk reaction, but overall, our belief is that the market has shown tremendous amount of maturity, and as a result of that, we are expecting a positive week this week, added by the earnings season support. So, where are the places for investments? Which sectors and stocks? So, our expectation in terms of earnings season outlook sectorially, the entire BFSI segment is going to do well. That is public sector banks, private sector banks, strong NBFCs. We expect defense, cap goods engineering, and capital market related stocks to perform well. Cement, autos on fallback of month-on-month numbers and the kind of thumbs up given by the consumers with respect to the cuts in GST, I think auto should do well. Power is something that will definitely be positive. On FMCG side, discretionary, non-discretionary, I think names like maybe Tata Consumer Products or Dabur should perform well in terms of earning visibility. So these are the sectors which we believe will do well on earnings front, and that would possibly add to the positivity in the market. So where are the pockets of investment? So two ideas, friends. One is of course from defense related private sector play, and the other one is NBFC that I just spoke about in terms of positive outlook. So the first one is a company called Astra Microwave. This company is specialized into communication and enabling the armed forces at state of the art communication systems which cannot be hacked into very easily. or which cannot be broken into very easily. So first investment idea from a long-term point of view is Astra Microwave. A small disclosure, all recommendations that I'll be sharing in this particular video are a part of our research team recommendations. Our company Geojit or we do not have any personal investments. No financial interest, no conflict of interest, but we have been giving advice to our clients on similar lines. They might have their investment interest. So with that disclosure, first one is Astra Microwave. And the second one is a stock which got adjusted for split and bonus, was a top performer even last year when the markets were under selling pressure, and that is Bajaj Finance. The business update by some of the banks, public sector banks, private sector banks, and NBFCs has been very, very positive. They are equally upbeat as far as the loan book growth is concerned into the future and asset quality improving, along with interest rates being steady and possibly heading downwards. So Bajaj Finance is the investment pick. Again, needless to say, these are all long-term investment ideas. These are not for 2, 3 months, 6 months. These are not buy today, sell tomorrow. So please bear that in mind. Do a little bit of homework before taking a decision to invest. And if you are convinced about this particular investment idea, then you can possibly start at current levels investing into it, and then on gradually on dips you can add on to it. So triggers, of course, will be from earnings season, which will unfold from 9th of October, and then that will give possibly support to the markets. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. I'll see you again next week. Till then, please do take care of your health. Bye bye.